E. E for elephant. This is an elephant. They are world's largest land animal. Their tusks are actually a teeth which first appear when elephants are around 2 years old. F. F for fish. This is a fish. There are over 30 species of fish. Fish live in all sorts of waters. Fish talk to each other. G. Giraffe. This is a giraffe. They are the tallest animal. It uses its head for fighting. They have huge heart, weighs around 11 kilograms actually. H for hippopotamus. This is an hippopotamus. Hippos are third largest mammals on earth. Hippos are herbivorous, which means they eat only plants.